Dashboards glowing in the midnight haze, interstates calling through this lonesome maze. Her voice still echoes in this rusted cab. Gotta get to her before we lose what we had. I know the way, heart's on empty, just 3/4 a tank of gas. $75, my lunch from work, and a thermos of coffee. A worn out truck and 1,000 miles to my honey. Tires humming like a heartbreak song through the rain and the dark. I'm chasing her light, gonna make it to my honey by the morning light. Radio's playing old haggard heartache. Her smile's in my mind, that's pulling me through. Stars overhead, they're guiding my way. This old Chevy's got one more run today. What if this road's just a fool's avenue? But her laugh's in the wind, whisper and try. Just 3/4 a tank of gas, $75, my lunch from work, and a thermos of coffee. 1,000 miles to my honey, can't wait to say hi. These miles stretch on, but I can't let her fade. Driven by love, fueled by this ache, in this worn out truck, my heart's made of jade. Memories flash like the lights in the rear. Every mile closer brings her voice near. I can see her smile through the fog and the rain. Each bump in the road is just love's sweet pain. Old tires are howling, but my spirit won't break. For a kiss from my honey, oh, the risks I'll take. Just 3/4 a tank of gas, $75, my life in this truck, and it's all that I trust. Worn seats remind me of nights spent alone, but with each turn of the wheel, I'm finding my home. 1,000 miles may seem like a long, long way, but every heartbeat whispers she's waiting today. Tires humming like a heartbreak song through the rain and the dark. I'm chasing her light, gonna make it to my honey by the morning light. 1,000 miles to my honey, can't wait to say hi. In this worn out truck, I'm spellbound and fly. And as dawn breaks the sky, I'm a man on a mission, with dreams in my pocket and love is my vision. These miles may be tough, but I carry my dreams in this old worn out truck. I'm bursting at the seams. Last